Recording. I'm recording, right? Yeah. Okay. I just joined the game. What is this? It's don't press the button 4. Hey, what happened? Where'd my Thanos go? What? You got there? I just joined. Dar, I hat you. I hat you. Why is there soccer? What? The ball is gone. He got rid of the ball. What are we doing? What is going on right now? Are we playing soccer? I don't get this. This game is stupid. What happened? Where's the button? Why can't we press it? There it is. Yeah, okay. The game is not broken. In fact, enter the castle. Sorry, give me a second. Alright. Let's enter the castle. Bro. Oh my god. I've done this before. It's actually kind of easy. Easy game. Easy game. This game's so easy. Whee! Oh my god. This one is something sweet something. Oh my god. Bye. What just happened? What the heck? And the jetpack's working correctly this time. What? I hate this game. No! Easy. No! I almost made it. Bye. What? We're in space? Where's the map? Hey! Let me out of here! I'm getting over there. No! Huh? Yo, this sucks! This takes so long. Ugh. Oh my god, how am I alive? What? My game broke! It stops? Why? Does it stop? I should have just used the jetpack. Okay, really? Yay! I beat it! Alright, I'm still recording. Oh. Okay, really? What? Aha, I just spawned in the floor. I have an advantage. This game sucks. So let's cut. Oh, yeah. Get out of here. Yeah. Like, I'm probably gonna end up finding the diamond up above, and then they're just gonna steal it. How did y'all get down? Yeah. Did anyone find it? No one found it? What? It's probably somewhere towards the center for some. Of course! Of course! I decided that game was stupid. So I played this game. Because this game isn't as stupid. But the people who play this. Oh, come on, no chat. Like, no one in the chat. Oh, never mind. Oh, they all speak different language. I'm sorry. Let me find a new server. Wait. Wait. Yo, you better. 1 minute? I wanna find the what? Find the little guys? What is that? Oh, whatever. What? God, the camera broke and I have to rejoin. And no, not the camera is in like the recording thing. I don't know. Like the Roblox cam, whatever. Yo, where are they? Nope. Where are they? Are they still in the server? Yeah. Like, where? Danielle, Mary, Margaret. Where? Where are they? Where you gonna load? Where you going? You gonna load that thing I liked? Wait, what if I just... No, my obby. Oh, I think they were waiting for me to... Wait. We're playing freaking obby creator. We gotta make hard. We gotta make it. We gotta. Yep, we gotta. Cause we got actually 26 likes now. So we beat the goal. And there's been continuing noises of the door opening throughout the video. Karen kept coming in, and I didn't feel like getting out, because I knew he would just get mad at me. Yo, dream is work in progress. Chat. In the chat. Alright. I'm just trying to beat my own level. Not. No. We gotta build it. If we can't do this now, then in the next video, you might, like I might have to cut it short to get the video out on time, but in the next video, I will probably show you the finished product if we do get anything done. Wake up! Yo, Daniel, wake up. Hey, girl! Oh, look, I'm gonna bang. And then bada, 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 bang. Bada, bada, bang. Oh, I did it. Bada, boom. Bang, bang. Oh, I could have made that. And I made that. Came around the corner. I made it. This is stupid. Oh, sorry, not 26, like 27. And just because I can't, I gotta show you guys. This is the difficulty chart. We're gonna have effortless, easy, medium, hard, difficult, insane, extreme, impossible, and no difficulties. Right now we're going to start working on hard. Here is the credits. Me, the owner, the game or die. He hasn't been online in like a few weeks. I don't know what happened. There's a builder. And then I forget Sonic worked on the visuals, made everything in this obby look really good. Danielle, he's over there. They're gonna be a builder, helping with ideas and stuff. And they also agreed, like when it gets too hard for me to beat, they're gonna be a tester. I added stage teleports. It's a bit hidden because they're stage teleports. And then there's an AFK area. You know what? In my last obby, I did like a Halo thing, where it like hide like secrets around the map. And then if you found a secret, then I give you like, and then I like put your name at the credits and give you like a halo or something. 4, those were blue. Now I'm probably gonna make them orange. Probably gonna make those halos. You know what? We're just playing white. Oh, you know what? I know. Alright, there. I'll just put that. I'll just have that. Oh, they're back. Alright. Alright, well, you know what? Math. First level. Oh, I think I know how to do that. So I just gotta. Alright, let's get this, and then we'll don't shrink it. No, I'm not gonna show the process of making it. Alright, well they leaving. That's just stupid. No. Oh my god. This is the newest version of the obby. I don't feel like continuing anymore, cause I mean it's getting like pretty close to 7:30s, and I gotta upload this. I gotta schedule it. So, and I don't feel like making anymore right now. I'll probably make it tomorrow. Bye.